Ooh.
Oh, chubbicorn.
Hello, I'm Mr. Sainamont, and we're drawing poses from comics. In this case, we're drawing a pose based on Sam from the graphic novel Surfside Girls by my friend Kim Dwinell. We'll start with a head and then a gesture line, and then we'll add the torso on that gesture line to just solidify those two shapes. Then I'm going to draw arms coming out in a cautious pose because this character will be walking the nose or walking the board, also known as cross-stepping. So we have that first leg going along the gesture line, the back leg will be bent just to keep the character's balance and center of gravity. Notice the feet are aligned. They have to be centered on the board. If they're not centered, then you lose your balance and fall off. Now I'm drawing the profile of the face and where the neck attaches to the shoulders. And then just solidifying the pose here, just darkening all the lines and erasing those extra lines I don't need. We'll add the long board next. And I'm going to add a wave crashing right behind the board just to give it a little bit higher drama. So the board is tucked into the tube there. And we're pretty much finished up here, except for a couple finger details. And that's it. So you can turn this pose into any of your characters if you like. So we're all set. Thanks for watching, and make sure you check out Kim's book in the link in the description.